unbalanced voltages. Now, when we say unbalanced voltages, what do we actually mean? So unbalanced voltages in a three-phase power system, we have phase A, B, and C. If we talk about a balanced voltage, then those three phases should have equal magnitudes, and then they should be displaced by 120 degrees from each other. So that makes up 360 degrees. There's three phases, so 120 degrees per phase, and they're split. And with the equal magnitudes, that's considered as a balanced set of three-phase AC voltages. And so when we talk about unbalanced, that means either the magnitude is different in those three. It could be either one, it could be either two, or all three of them are different, meaning unequal, right? Or the displacement, which is 120 degrees, is different. So one might be like a different than 120 degrees, and the other two makes up for that difference. But as soon as you have a difference, then you have unbalanced voltages, right? Hello everyone, Abdur Rehman here from AllumiaX Engineering. To learn more and to continue sharpening your technical skills, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, GeneralPAC by AllumiaX, or visit our website at allumiax.com/learn.